How to share a Netflix account with friends. Today we're going to talk about something a lot of you have been asking for: how to share your Netflix account with friends. Whether you want to split the cost or just share the love with Netflix, I've got you covered, so let's get into it. Now, before we get started, it's important to know that Netflix has some rules when it comes to sharing accounts. While Netflix allows account sharing within a household, sharing outside your home can get a little tricky. But don't worry, I'll break it down for you in a way that's easy to understand and legal. Let's first take a look at the Netflix plans, since sharing your account really depends on which plan you have. In basic plan, you can stream on one screen at a time in SD quality, and on standard, you can stream on two screens at the same time in HD quality. However, on premium plan, you can stream on four screens at once and you can enjoy 4K Ultra HD content. If you want to share your account with friends, the standard or premium plan is definitely the way to go because it lets you stream on multiple devices simultaneously. Now, what you need to do is log into your Netflix account through the app or website and go to the account settings by tapping on your profile in the top right corner, then selecting account from drop down menu. Under the profile and parental control section, you can manage your profiles. You'll want to create a new profile for each person who will be using your Netflix account. This helps keep recommendations separate and makes it easier to track what everyone's watching. After creating profiles, share your login details with your friends or family member. They can sign in using their own profile and you're all set. And that's it. That's how you simply share your Netflix account with friends.